We're making smoked duck with an orange glaze sauce coming up. All right, everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm your host, CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and all the bell next to it so you get all the alerts that we do. All right, so today I have a special guest with us today. My buddy JT's in the house. He brought me some of these gorgeous ducks, fresh off the pond. We got them cleaned up. We're gonna get them out on the pit barrel. And in here, we're gonna make a little glaze from a little orange glaze with some honey, soy sauce, a little bit of red pepper. It's gonna be awesome, all right? So, ducks are cleaned. I've let them sit overnight, put a little salt on them, let some of that fat kind of drip out, render out, poke little holes in it, in the fat, not all the way to the flesh, just a little bit in the skin. And just let them sit overnight in the fridge. I'm letting them come up to temperature. Then we're gonna put them on the pit barrel. They're small enough that I get little hooks in them. I'm gonna see how this turns out. All right, come on back. All right, everybody, this is JT. This is the man, the myth, the legend. He's the one that brought these wonderful ducks so we could have some food tonight. Tell me something, how did it feel to shoot them ducks? Was it like Duck Hunt? Was it like the old video game? What do you think?
It was a little more exciting than the video game.
All right, guys, we're gonna make this glaze. So we're gonna start with some orange juice, freshly squeezed out of the bottle. We're gonna put about a cup of orange juice in there. This is gonna cook for a while, maybe a cup and a half. You know I don't measure things on this channel. We're going to let this cook for a while, let it reduce down so it concentrates that orange juice more than it normally would be. Gonna put about a teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon of garlic in there. All right. We'll put a big tablespoon of soy sauce in there. Oh yeah, what do you think? It's awesome, huh? What a mess. This is why we have cleaners. All right, I'm gonna put a bunch of pink Himalayan salt in there. Most of it will melt in there, but there still might leave a little texture. That's why I like using it. It's about a teaspoon. And then we like a little heat in here, so we're gonna put some red pepper flake, another good teaspoon. Woo, a little heat, little heat. And then we're gonna put a good tablespoon of honey in there. So we got our sweet heat, got our acidity, got our saltiness, we got our umami, we got all the flavors in the rainbow. All right, so we're gonna get this on the stove, cook it low and slow, let the flavors develop, and then by the time we're ready to get the ducks glazed up, we'll have this ready to go and reduced. All right, come on back. About an hour in, guys. Some good color. You can see it that well. It's looking good. Alright guys, we're going to recap the ingredients. Here's our 3 ducks that we've been letting sit overnight with a little salt rub on them. Got honey, a little soy sauce, orange juice, pink Himalayan salt, a little garlic, minced garlic, and some red pepper flakes. That's for the glaze. All right. All right, guys, we're back. We got this duck off the pit barrel. We let it rest for about 15-20 minutes. Got to do the hack job with the cleaver like they do in them Asian markets. And now we're gonna try this bad boy. All right, so we got a little dark meat. I guess all duck's dark meat, but all right, we'll try it. It's interesting. Duck's not for everybody, but I think the way I prepped this, it made it turn out all right. That glaze is spectacular. Everybody loves the glaze. Good stuff. Not bad for a first shot at this. My favorite, not really, but duck's an acquired taste, I guess. So if you're into duck, try this one out. Smoke it, use that glaze that I did. It's good, it's tasty, but it's not my favorite, and I'm always honest with you guys. So that's it. See you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.